Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to be talking about Adobe. You might have heard of Photoshop, but did you know that Adobe offers other products? That's right. In this video, I'm going to explain different Adobe apps and what they're used for. Adobe is the go-to software for artists around the world who use it for various purposes, such as creating website icons, movies, posters, and digital artwork. The first and most well-known product is Adobe Photoshop. It is a versatile tool that professionals use to manipulate photos. It is also great for creating posters, advertisements, wallpapers, and digital artwork. Artists use it to draw, sketch, and paint digitally, while photographers use it to enhance and retouch their photos. Adobe Illustrator is another tool used for designing images. At first glance, it looks like Photoshop, but there is a significant difference between the two. Photoshop works with raster art, which means that all photos are stored as pixels. On the other hand, Illustrator works with vector art, which means that the artwork is stored as mathematical formulas. Raster art gets pixelated when enlarged beyond its resolution, whereas vector art can be enlarged infinitely without losing any quality. Adobe Illustrator is excellent for making icons, logos, posters, and graphics that can be used in other projects. Adobe InDesign is a publishing software that excels in projects requiring multi-page layouts, such as magazines, newspapers, presentations, and books. It is good for arranging large amounts of text and photos into layouts that can be directly handed off for printing. Making a magazine requires collaboration among several professionals from various fields, including editors, writers, photographers, and designers. To help them collaborate, there is Adobe InCopy, a text editor that allows writers to write the text content while designers are simultaneously working on the graphics of the same document in InDesign. This significantly improves efficiency, and several people can work on the same project simultaneously, making it possible for magazines to maintain their rapid schedules. Adobe Lightroom is a photo editing software similar to Adobe Photoshop, but specifically designed for making minor edits like color balance, brightness, or contrast of large collections of photos. It is easier to learn than Photoshop and is used by professional photographers in their workflow as a photo management system for cataloging, organizing, and post-processing thousands of photos. Adobe Bridge is an easy-to-use visual media manager that allows you to organize, browse, and view your media files. Although Adobe Lightroom is used for organizing media files, Adobe Bridge can handle more types of files and is more like a universal file manager that works together with all other Adobe software. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing tool used for making everything from YouTube videos to blockbuster movies. You can cut, edit, and trim a large number of clips and then sequentially arrange them on a layered timeline where you can add various effects to your video. You can also add text, transition, audio effects, and much more. Adobe Aftereffects is a powerful software for creating all kinds of visual effects. It is commonly used for creating animations, motion graphics, and other cinematic effects. After Effects is not designed for editing the final sequence of the video, so after creating the visual effects, you need to export it to Premiere Pro to make the final video. If you want to render your video, there is Adobe Media Encoder, which is a specialized software for rendering the video you have created in Premiere Pro or After Effects. The original file size could be huge, so it needs to be compressed and converted into a file format and resolution that can be smoothly played in various devices. Adobe Dreamweaver is a popular software used for designing and building websites. It is an integrated development environment, IDE, that allows you to create web pages using visual design tools or by writing code directly. It supports various web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Moving on, we have Adobe XD. This app is used for designing user interfaces and user experiences. If you're a web or app designer, this app will definitely come in handy. For those who want to create 3D designs, Adobe has two software options: Adobe Dimension and Adobe Substance 3D. Adobe Dimension is a 3D design tool that allows you to create photorealistic 3D scenes and product mockups. It is great for product designers, marketers, and graphic designers who want to showcase their designs in a realistic way. On the other hand, Adobe Substance 3D is a suite of 3D texture and material creation tools that allow you to create and manipulate 3D materials and textures. It has a powerful material editor that enables you to create custom materials with ease. If you want to create animations or interactive web experiences, Adobe Animate is the software for you. It is a powerful animation tool that allows you to create interactive animations for websites, games, and apps. You can use it to create vector animations, character animations, and even HTML5 animations. Moving on, we have Adobe Character Animator. This app is used for animating 2D characters in real time. It's perfect for creating animated videos and even live streams. Now, if you're into audio and music production, Adobe has several options for you as well. Adobe Audition is a dedicated audio editing software designed to record, edit, and mix audio. It has advanced features such as spectral editing and multi-track mixing that allow you to create professional quality audio. If you're into typography, Adobe TypeKit is the app for you. This app is used for managing and accessing a large library of fonts. You can easily add new fonts to your designs and even sync them across all your devices. Adobe Acrobat is a software used for creating and editing PDF documents. It allows you to create PDFs from scratch or convert other documents into PDFs. You can also edit existing PDFs, add annotations, and sign documents digitally. Lastly, we have Adobe Stock. This app is used for finding and downloading high-quality images. There you have it, a brief overview of the Adobe software options available to you. Whether you're a graphic designer, web developer, filmmaker, or audio producer, there is an Adobe software that can help you create and bring your ideas to life.